Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I found this package. I don't know. I think I bought this package a few weeks ago, I think. Let me see the names. Oh, it came from McLaren. I don't see the name, guys. Okay. Right, so we're gonna open it. We have the scissors. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, this is from Ninja Van. Oh my god, it's super hard. Let me use some scissors. Pear. Oh my god, this thing is super tight. Oh. I just moved my weight. Okay, unbox that Ninja Van. Oh my god, it's like covering you guys already. Man, this is so hard. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna order more things from Shopee delivery. So turn the phone up like this and see a red button right there. It says subscribe. Click it and make it turn gray so you can subscribe to my channel. Name my channel's my name is Hans Bakiran. Oh my god. I just heard many pops from this baby right here. Oh my god. But I still don't know what this package is. Oh my god! I think I need to do this thing. And I'm gonna prepare scissors to open the baby. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna like open the trash can. Okay, back. Ah, finally. Ah. They gave me double box. Oh my god, super hard. Oh my god. Can't wait to see what's man. Do you see this, guys? A sniper rifle. Okay. We're gonna push me low, guys. I think it's already full. Here's tape. I forgot about the tape. I just got this thing today. Yo. Oh my god. I think I have to open. Look at this baby. Oh my god, it's like a real sniper. Ah, finally. Something. I think there's no more. I'm just gonna put this. Oh my god. Look what just arrived at the mail. My god, okay. Okay. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's the steel one. Give me double box. What is this? Okay. Oh my god. Okay guys, here's the brand new sniper rifle. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Link down below because I'm gonna unbox another thing today. I don't know when is it gonna come, but make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram page hansisaac.com. So peace out guys, bye.